Hello all, this is your English teacher Mrs. Shanti of KV Ashoknagar. Today we shall be going through the lesson The Little Girl written by Catherine Mansfield from Class 9 English Reader Beehive. Before we go through the lesson, let me introduce you to Kathleen Mansfield Murray was a prominent New Zealand modernist short story writer and poet who was born and brought up in colonial New Zealand and wrote under the pen name of Catherine Mansfield. At the age of 19, she left New Zealand and settled in England, where she became a friend of writers such as D.S. Lawrence and Virginia Woolf. Mansfield was diagnosed with extrapulmonary tuberculosis in 1917. The disease claimed her life at the age of 34. Before we read the lesson, let me ask you a few questions. Do you feel you know your parents better now than when you were much younger? Perhaps you now understand the reasons for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier. This story is about a young girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding, which will find an echo in every home. The title of the story refers to the main character that we come across, the little girl named Kezia. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer Catherine Mansfield wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. The characters in the story are Kezia the little girl, Kezia's grandmother, Kezia's father, and Kezia's mother. I hope you would have read the lesson from the reader. Having read, let us go on to the main points of the lesson. Kezia is a little girl growing in her loving grandma's care. Kezia has formal relations with mother and father. She is afraid of a strict father, so she stammered while talking to him. She thought him to be a giant-sized man. On Sundays, Grandma sent her to spend some time with her parents, but Kezia found her father lay down on the sofa to relax and mother busy in reading. One day, Grandma suggested her to prepare a gift for her father's birthday. Kezia prepared a pincushion with a beautiful yellow silk cloth. For that, she needed scrap to fill it. She took some papers from her father's room and stored them up to stuff them in the pincushion. It was her father's important speech papers for the Port Authority. When Kezia was questioned, she admitted her act. Father beat Kezia with a ruler and she cried bitterly. She clung to the grandma who consoled her. Next door neighbor Mr. Mac with his children in the evening. After watching him, Kezia concludes that all fathers are not like hers. One day, her mother got admitted to the hospital. She was all alone at home under the care of the cook. Old Nightmare haunted her, a butcher with a knife in his hand. She was too much afraid of it. He came to her room and hugged her, carried her to his room to comfort her. She realized that he was not so bad as she thought, but he was too busy to express his love. That night she felt her father had a big heart. The story is based on the theme of a young girl's point of view about her father. Children take time to understand the actions of their elders. Till then, they tend to develop a negative opinion and sometimes even distrust. However, as kids grow older, their attitude towards their elders undergoes change. The theme of the story is based on this process of change that makes little children notice the soft and caring heart of their overtly strict elders. The story conveys a beautiful message that there is a very strong bond between parents and children. This bond has the strength to survive every type of challenge. However, in order to prepare their children for the hardship of adult life, parents resort to strict punishment, and it is difficult for children to understand the true motive behind the stern actions of their parents. As a result, they develop negativity. Therefore, the story gives a message to children and parents. Children should trust their parents, and the parents should understand that physical punishment can leave emotional scars that hamper the growth of a balanced personality of their child. So the responsibility to strengthen the parent-child bond rests equally on both. A few useful quotes have been compiled here for your quick reference to solve the value-based question. And a few question and answers have also been solved with answers, followed by a few value-based questions which you can discuss in the class for the value points. And finally, you may also refer to the NCERT portal Diksha app, which furnishes for an elaborate MCQ, long answer and short answers questions.